And now, it is time for Train Smarts with Sir Topham Hatt. That's me. Get it? Because I'm the owner of the railway and this is what I do. Anyways, here we go.
Hello there, I'm Sir Topham Hatt, the controller of the railway.
I can see that you're interested in being a train driver, but it isn't all fun and games. You also have to be safe and careful, especially with what train you want to drive. See, Gordon's driver is a very experienced train driver. He can make no mistakes, even doing the most dangerous work. Except for the time my driver cheated on his wife. Gordon, you're not supposed to say that. Sorry, you didn't hear anything. But you have to be careful around inexperienced drivers too. They can cause a lot of trouble. You hear that, Thomas? Your driver sucks. No, he doesn't suck. What's he gonna do? Is he gonna make me go, ah! Oh, that sucked. Coupling up. Before you leave, always make sure you're coupling up slowly and safely. Just don't couple up too fast though, or else it can result in a pretty nasty accident. Ah! Oh bloody hell, I mean, really, what's that train's problem? Speed. Always drive your trains at a nice speed. Not too fast, not too slow, but just right so you don't become late, or too late, or whatever.
Unlike Thomas's driver, who always drives too fast. Roll the footage now.
Whoa! Runaway train right here! Oh. Steam. It is always important to make sure that your steam engine is steamed up right, like a nice, warm, steamed ham.
Oh, I can definitely go for one of those right now. I mean, after all, I haven't had anything to eat in like 4 years, and good evenings. Anyways, whatever you do not overheat your trains.
Sir, I think my driver is doing the exact thing you told him not to do. God damn it, I'm done with this crap. I'm gonna go watch Larry and Friends instead.
This presentation of Larry and Friends is filmed in front of a live audience.
Hey guys, I'm Larry. And today, guess where I am? That's right. Disneyland's California Adventure. And do you think I could ride this roller coaster? Well, let's see.
A few moments later.
Facebook, and hold on.
One whiner later,
That sucked.
Oh, Larry, you're the solution and cause to all of life's problems.